Mary, Queen of Scots, came to visit Crichton Castle for the wedding of her half-brother, Lord John Stuart, who was one of at least 9 illegitimate children of her father, James V. The bride just happened to be Jean Hepburn, the sister of who would eventually become her 3rd husband, James Hepburn, the 4th Earl of Bothwell. Mary loved weddings and all of the celebrations that came with them. The marriage between Jean and John was a Protestant one. Mary was Catholic, and her attendance at a Protestant wedding was seen as a gesture of her desire to foster good relationships and harmony amongst her people, who were experiencing growing religious discord. The marriage festivities for Jean and John were organized by Bothwell and included feasting and entertainments. Mary would only stay a few nights at Crichton Castle. Bothwell was already well known to Mary at this time, but it would be another 5 years before he would be one of the men accused of murdering her 2nd husband, and her finally marrying him.